Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy, I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for chillest analyst. The match between Orlando Pirates and Golden Arrows ended with 2-1, guys, and it was a very entertaining match to watch, especially seeing Coach Jose Rivero introducing again and again young players, youngsters. We saw another one, Madiba, playing yesterday, so yeah, those are the great news for Orlando Pirates, guys. Even though the match, it was a very difficult match for Orlando Pirates to get those 3 points, because on the other side, their opponents, we saw that they were really showing us that they are able to play a good football, especially when they're playing against big teams like Orlando Pirates. But I mean, Golden Arrows, I think we were really hoping to see some of these kind of performances even when they're playing up against other teams as well. But now, seeing them performing in a way that they performed against the Orlando Pirates, you could see that their coach really had an influence coming into this match, because we know that their coach, Mangoba Mngeti, is a very talented man, and I think he was able to make the Golden Arrows players think, and we saw them playing. They were able to play, I think, about 8-10 passes going to the attacking their opposition, which is Orlando Pirates. So yes, that's what we really like to see from Golden Arrows, and I think they gave us a good game, because we know that Orlando Pirates is arguably the best team in South Africa after Mamelodi Sundowns. So I believe that Orlando Pirates, they really had a good game against the Golden Arrows, guys. So yes, they did manage to win, Orlando Pirates, by 2-1. Yeah, so the happy people, I think wherever they are across the world, they are happy to see the boys performing, because if you can check the starting lineup of Orlando Pirates, they started using the youngsters. We saw Mbokazi as well. He was on the starting lineup. I mean, the boy is doing well. Compliments to the boy. I think he's the future captain of Bafana Bafana, or future captain of Orlando Pirates, because the boy, you can see that he's very confident, and you hardly find a center back, especially who is young. You hardly find them in the 18 area, in the attacking front. You hardly find those players there, because they sometimes they want to shine in their position and make sure that the team doesn't concede the goals because they are there. But I mean, this boy is showing character. He's going in front. He can push, whether using his ability to run, and then he can play a decisive pass after protecting the ball. So we really like to see this kind of players improving day by day, game by game. So yes, guys, I mean, Orlando Pirates also, they shocked us with their lineup, introducing players like Kim Vidi, who was playing really different football today. I mean, the coach used him in the center midfield. The coach used him as a wing. So we know what Jose Rivero can do. Especially, he's a very good tactician with his management as well. So we know that Coach Jose Rivero, he has the ability to make the players to shine. So good news that this boy Kimvidi, he went all the way, and then he was the man of the match. I mean, after not playing for some of the matches. And also Tito Maswanganyi, we saw the magic that he can produce in the game. And then we saw the magic that he did compliment to this goal, because he scored a beautiful goal as well. He's the one who gave the boys the confidence that they can do it. I mean, great news for what is happening for Orlando Pirates, guys. We know that they still believe that they can get the league, even though, yeah, their goalkeeper, we gave another goalkeeper, which is Buthelezi, was given a chance as well. So you can see that Buthelezi, he just want to get his ground, get back. I mean, he will improve. Just keep on putting him because I think he has mistakes there and there, but I still believe that he can fix them because I mean, he's a great goalkeeper. He almost kept a clean sheet. Unfortunately, that goal, you could see that it was difficult for him to do makes. There was nothing he can do actually. So yeah, that's what Buthelezi, I think he can be better in the future, guys. So another Cocomelon that we saw being introduced in this match is obviously Nkota, who we saw the coach playing him on the left instead of on the right as he always does. But I mean, because Relebule Mufokeng was not there, so he decided that he can play him on the right, on the left, because I mean, Relebule Mufokeng is a star. So obviously there's a game coming on the weekend against Kaiser Chiefs, so the coach maybe he thought why not rest some of the players because the final is coming and we're obviously going to need these players in the final. But I mean, whatever that the coach is doing with his players, we know that it's always great news. So for me, guys, I never thought that Golden Arrows was gonna beat Pirate. I thought Orlando Pirates was gonna win, but going to the second half, being the match being 0-0, I thought it's very difficult now to predict the game because it's 0-0, and I saw Orlando Pirates first half they were struggling to combine those short passes and try to score the goal. But coming second half, I think the coach changed the strategy, especially using Kimvidi. He told Kimvidi to add numbers in the center midfield, and that's how they're gonna get a goal. And that's exactly how it worked with the pass from Kabelo Dlamini. I mean, Maswanganyi with a beautiful goal. I mean, let's compliment Kabelo Dlamini, guys. Kabelo Dlamini, he's one of the best passers in the league. So I think he's also one of the players that deserves his flowers because he's been playing in most of the important games for Orlando Pirates. Whether Tito Maswanganyi is there or is not there, the coach will always make sure that he makes some space for Dlamini there because he has his own way of playing, and I think he's the best passer in that we've seen this season, guys. So yes, we'll see what's gonna happen, but yeah, I don't know who's gonna start between Maswanganyi and Dlamini in when we go to the play the final Nedbank Cup final, guys. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see, but yeah, both players they have quality, so I just think that they are all fit now. I think this match the coach used it to make sure that the boys they see and then the others rest, and then the others bring their confidence as well, because we saw players like Radio Pane, he was also doing well, but you can see that the confidence he still needs to improve there and there. So yes, guys, those are the great news. Orlando Pirates really managed to win the match by 2-1. So thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for chillest analyst.